TVs, each of them, so we are going to be taking them out and onto the teams and getting them ready for the students.
It's a luxury for some people, and to be able to give them something that we all take for granted every day you go home, turn the TV on. This is massive.
Hospitality upgrades mean old tech can go to landfill, but we're proud at Noel Leeming to offer a full solution. Our Christchurch team have delivered televisions to Hotel 115, but we're excited to have also donated the old ones to a local community organisation. Not only have we delivered the new televisions, we've carried out the delivery and installation, 31 units in total.
So we're at Hotel 115 in Christchurch. We're a boutique hotel in the middle of the city. So we've got 31 TVs and we needed to upgrade them. The original ones were 12 years old. They were put in originally when the hotel was rebuilt after the earthquake. So we decided to take the plunge and replace the whole lot.
Hotel 115 haven't done a television upgrade for 12 years, and as you can imagine, televisions within that time frame have advanced based on sizes, colours, sound quality and the experience that they provide. The team's process is to carry out a scope and then bring the items to site. Once everything is all ready to go, they will start delivering the TVs into each room. They will take the old TVs and brackets off the wall, install the new brackets, install the new televisions and set them up ready to go, so you have a fresh room and your occupancy remains steady.
And time-wise and installation-wise, that sort of thing wasn't easy because obviously we're a hotel, people come and go a little bit. As installers, the guys were really great. They were really efficient. It's always been smooth.
Motivations is a youth mentoring organisation here in Christchurch, and we just help people better themselves in education, employment, life skills, and just getting people on the right track.
We've worked with Hotel 115 and found a great community organisation to donate the televisions to. We love that they're still in use and that they're not going to landfill. It's a positive impact on our community and a full circle moment for our project.
It's such a good feeling to know that we've helped somebody. It is such a big thing to be able to pass this on to us and to think of us and allow us to give these out to the most needy that we've got in the community. Just such a kind thing as well for Noel Leeming, and we can't thank them enough.